It's not easy to create change.
And we feel like we're evolving
Yes.
together with our audience. Ito talaga kami.
Hindi na kayo nagsawang mag-usap.
Oo.
Diba? Parang you can have someone to talk to.
Ano ba sasabi mo sa bago nating setup, di ba? Ang saya. Napaka-fulfilling na umabot tayo dito after so many days of testing ng mga ilaw, away,
Arguments and disagreements. Sobrang dami.
sobrang test ng kung saan. Pero ito na siya. Ito na yung output. Ito na yung outcome.
At ito na yung pinaka-the best na nakita namin na outcome ng mga setup na tinry namin. For how many days? Ang dami naming tinry, dami naming tines, ang dami naming pinag-arguhan just to make sure that we're gonna be able to come up with a setting like this.
Setup
Diba?
na para sa amin mas inviting to.
Oo.
Mas maluwag yung kwentuhan namin kasi we want to make things better and we want it to be part of our conversation na parang ganito lang. Kahit nandyan kayo sa other side of the screen of the camera, eto kami, I want you to feel na kasama namin kayo sa aming mga usapan. And kung ano yung mga bagay na nagre-resonate sa kanila, sa ating mga viewers, di mas maganda kung may mas maraming reaction, because we want to learn from you. We want to learn from you from the conversation that we're having.
And at the same time, these are the conversations that we normally have on a daily basis.
Oo.
Pagkagising sa umaga, di ba, para tayong talk show. Minsan napupuna na nga tayo ng mga kasama natin sa bahay. Na parang, hindi na kayo nagsawang mag-usap.
Oo.
Di ba? Before kami matulog, minsan matutulog na lang, may bigla kami mapapag-usapan, tapos pipigilan na lang namin yung sarili naming dalawa.
Kasi medyo tumataas na yung dugo ko dahil na-excite.
Tumataas yung dugo, hindi BP hindi hypertensive. Kasi
either na-excite or na-anxious or basta bumibilis yung takbo ng dugo. So parang nawawala yung antok, tapos sasabihin namin, ay, tigil na natin to. Next, bukas na tayo ulit mag-usap. Out of nowhere, everything under the sun pinag-uusapan natin. Mapa-spiritual, financial, psychological, relationship, mga ganun.
And I guess that's one thing that triggers us or yun talaga yung nag-drive sa amin to set up the studio like this. It's not easy to create change.
Yeah.
Hindi siya madali, lalo na kapag nagsisimula ka ulit na i-set up yung mga bagay. And knowing na hindi naman kami professional ni Chen when it comes sa pag-set up ng lights, sa pag-ano ng camera, wala rin kaming, alam mo yun, hindi rin kami professional when it comes sa pag-aayos ng mga ganito. Wala kaming ganyang mata. Kaya lang parang, as we go along the journey, that's where we learned. And
we feel like we're evolving.
Yes.
Together with our audience. Ito talaga kami. Yan.
Yes, and we learned along the journey, just to bank on dun sa sinabi ko kanina, parang we've learned along the journey kung paano ilalagay yung ilaw, saan isi-set up, ano ba yung papatayin, ano ba yung medyo bababaan ng ilaw. And I guess that's also the kind of, not only relationship but conversation that we have. We've learned together. We've grown together. Marami kaming disagreements, marami kaming mga talagang hindi napapagkasundo ang mga bagay.
Through our conversation today or baka in the future videos, makikita nyo yun sa amin.
Yeah, marami kaming hindi talaga marami kaming hindi pag-aagrihan ng mga bagay.
Speaking of yung bagong setup, ano naramdaman nyo? Do you feel at home? Do you feel at ease?
Yeah.
Kasi kami, I feel, gusto ko yung ganito. Kung magkaroon ako ng malaking bahay, gusto ko yung ganito.
Agree. Parang, it's something na parang tatambayan mo lang para makipag-chismisan. Ano actually chismisan. Parang, you can have someone to talk to, diba? And just like what we did dito sa studio namin, ganito rin kasi yung what we are trying to do with Nosy Rosie. And that's why we would like to introduce to you that Nosy Rosie is still there, but we are presenting the Nosies with Rose and Chen. Ayan. It's a segment, it's a, kumbaga para sa isang company, flagship product siya, na it's all about the things that we are talking about privately and bring it into the public. So, yung mga bagay na yung pag-uusapan namin, and most likely, those are the stuff, those are the conversations na hindi basta-basta nababrought up ng marami.
Mga unspoken words.
Yes.
And those are the experiences that we have since childhood yan, pag-uusapan natin yan. And i-share namin ano yung mga natutunan namin that hopefully, makarelate kayo or makaresonate kayo And makita nyo din in a way na meron kayong kakampi.
That's right.
Meron kayong, hindi lang kayo nag-iisa dun sa kung ano man yung pain or
Oo, or
hurt
challenge.
na nararamdaman nyo or challenge sa buhay, obstacles. And when you're in a hard, painful situation, hindi lang kayo nag-iisa. Nandito rin kami, baka pinagdaanan din namin. Those are the things that we'd like to share with you. Very personal experiences.
Yes. Personal experiences. And sabi nga ni Chan kanina, mga bagay na natutunan na gusto niya i-share. And actually, yung mga bagay na natutunan na yun, hindi naman natin matututunan kung hindi natin siya na-experience. Sabi nga. So, apart from the fact na may mga bagay tayo na alam, may mga topic tayo na kaya nating i-discuss kahit sabi nga nakapikit. But instead, we would like to focus on natutunan namin dun sa journey, sa mga bagay na pinag-aaway namin, mga revelations sa mga challenges na pinagdadaanan namin, situation na sobrang hirap, akala mo ang hirap-hirap niyang i-handle, which is totoo naman, mahirap naman talaga i-handle.
Even yung mga trauma natin, brought to us by our parents or whoever na nakalakihan natin when we were still a kid.
And hindi lang to sobrang seryoso, ha?
Oo,
For
syempre.
sure, we're gonna laugh, we're gonna cry, and I don't know kung paano tatakbo yung isang usapan sa isang klase ng discussion or sa isang klase ng experience that we would like to impart or to share. Kasi for sure, nakakatawa yung mga susunod pa nating episodes. So, those are the things na aabangan ng ating mga viewers. And again, we are not reformatting nor rebranding Nosy Rosie.
Nosy Rosie pa rin.
We are evolving just like you. We are growing. Kilala nyo naman ang Nosy Rosie na curious.
Yes.
Na punong-puno ng curiosity sa
Matanong.
sa mga previous videos natin, 'di ba? This time yung curiosity na yon hindi lang siya lalabas dahil gusto mo lang may alamin. But this time you would like to use that curiosity para mas maging maintindihin or maging understanding.
Yeah. Yun yung pinaka-core ng relationship na to with Rose and with you being the nosies and kayo din, that how are we going to understand something, a situation as difficult as bakit may mga ganong klaseng taong ganito yung treatment, mga for example lang. Yung mga ganong bagay, paano namin naintindihan yun, and baka may ma-share din kayo na another angle of that situation na magdadagdag sa understanding din namin and from you. And yun, yung goal is for us to learn and to learn from you as much as possible.
Yeah, yung parang
as enjoyable as
possible. Yeah, and not only learning but also of course parang sharing those times. And we will treasure of course yung time na i-spend nyo watching our episodes. Kasi syempre most of the time ako personally kaya ako nanonood ng videos, nanonood ako ng documentary, nanonood ako ng mga podcast or nakikinig ako ng podcast because I relate to that podcast. Nakaka-relate ako, may natututunan ako, and parang nagiging, hindi siya safety net parang nagiging blanket mo siya. Sometimes you feel something, tapos pag napakinggan mo siya, parang you feel embraced.
Yeah.
Parang ganon.
Parang minsan may mga situation tayo na hindi natin alam kung paano siya dinedefine.
Yeah.
And then from our conversation, baka ma-define namin. Kasi ako naniniwala ako doon na pag nagkaroon ng label yung isang situation or na-define, parang mas magaan siyang intindihin.
Yeah, actually.
And also, one of the things, pag merong understanding is merong awareness. And we know that the first step to freedom is awareness. Diba? So that's what we'd like to share with you, mga kanosi. Kaya stay tuned for our upcoming videos. And thank you for spending your time watching this intro with you. Sobrang appreciate namin yung time nyo.
Excited kami sa ano yung kakalabasan, ano yung mga possible discussions that we're gonna be having, and we would like to invite you, of course, with this kind of conversation in the future episodes. Naku, napakarami nating mapapag-uusapan at mas marami pa tayong mapapag-usapan if you're gonna include yourself into that conversation.
Yes.
Diba? So, that's why we are asking your support, your help, and of course, we appreciate your trust. sa patuloy niyong pagsuporta, sa patuloy niyong pag-share ng aming channel, and syempre yung pag-subscribe nila, Jen, diba?
Do subscribe, do like, and share our videos. Lalo na yung mga upcoming at lalo na kung may feeling yung naging part kayo ng conversation na
That's
ito. We're very excited.
Sobra namin kayong ini-invite. Malapit na pong magpasko, so stay tuned. Sobrang nakaka-excite yung mga susunod nating episodes. And thank you for being with us. Thank you for all those years na nag-start yung Nosy Rosie. You've been with us. Salamat sa patuloy niyong pagsuporta. And let us continue being in this journey. Let us all not only to learn, but also let us learn how to understand each other.
Yes. Salamat sa pag-join our journey. ulit. Oo nga. Kaya we're very excited sa ating journey together. So stay tuned.
And
Maraming salamat.
see you on our next episode. Bye!